Ready to make your Cardano work for you? Let's talk staking automation. First, what is Cardano staking? It's when you lock up your ADA tokens to support the network and earn rewards. Simply put, you delegate your ADA to a staking pool, which validates transactions, and you get a share of the rewards. Now, on to automation. Method 1. Use a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. Connect it to your computer, use the wallet software to pick a staking pool, and delegate your ADA. The wallet takes care of the rest, including claiming rewards. It's secure and easy. Method 2. Try a staking pool's own interface. Visit their website, link your Cardano wallet, and delegate your ADA. These interfaces often handle rewards automatically and might offer bonuses. Method 3. Use third-party platforms like Binance or Coinbase. Create an account, deposit your ADA, and select a staking option. They manage the process and distribute rewards, but watch out for fees. To maximize rewards, research pools, monitor your gains, and stay updated. Automating Cardano staking is that simple.